Hi, today we're going to learn about the group of two black keys. I like to think of the piano as a music street, and the groups of 2 and 3 remind me of houses on Music Street. Let's think about these two. Let's pretend they are twin girls, and these twin girls love animals. So we'll look at the white key. Now mine is colored red right here to get us started. Let's look at this key right here, and let's pretend it is their front porch. On the front porch, the twin girls have a cat. Cat starts with C. Inside their house, they have a dog. Dog starts with D. And on their back porch, they have an elephant. Cat, dog, elephant. And those 3 notes can go anywhere on the piano. This is a group of 2, C, D, E.